Coming to the next programming assignment, problem 2. Here, this is regarding the birthday party. Here, next week Swam's birthday party and he plans to have a chocolate cake for his friends. The cake has been cut into n slices. The total Swam has x friends and can choose to invite any number of them. Since he does not want to feel lonely, he will invite at least one of them. Everyone likes the cake. Since Swam does not want any fights between his friends, he'll give them the same amount of cake and he will given each of them the maximum number of slices possible under the condition that each of the invited friends get the same number of slices. It can happen that no friend gets even a single piece of cake. Okay, this is regarding the problem. It means Swam's birthday and he is willing to invite his friends, and he needs to invite his friends. He is having x number of friends, and given n is the maximum amount of cake and x is the number of friends. So here we have given one constraint. Given n and x, find the maximum amount of cake Swam can get by inviting a positive number of friends not greater than x. Okay, see here the input is first line containing the total number of test cases. How many test cases we are going to pass? That is nothing but t. And each test case contains a single line of input, two integers n and x. Okay, see here we are having some constraints and t should be in between 1 and 50 and n and x are between 1 and 10 to the power of 5. Okay, see here 4 is nothing but 4 is the number of test cases, and here we are having the test cases. See here the test case 1. What does this test case 1 indicate? Means there are no way to invite any number of friends will result in Swam having the positive amount of cake left for himself. So if there are no friends, then everything will be left to him. This is because of inviting 1 or 2 friends will result in distributing the entire cake to his friends. Okay, so that is equal number of friends means, see here the test case 10 comma 2. 10 is the number of cake pieces and 2 is the number of friends. If he had done like this, then he had to give everything to his friends. So nothing is left to him. So that is 0. Next, suppose if he invites 3 friends. So then the total number of cake is divided between 3 friends and 1 slice is left to Swam, and that is indicated by 1 in the output. Next, coming to the third test case. If he invites 4 friends and the total number of cake is 3, then nothing is left to him. Okay, that's why it means suppose Swam invites 4 friends, each friend will get 3 by 4. So no one will get it means at least one piece should be given to the friend. So this condition is not satisfied. Everything is left to the Swam. So this is 3. And test case 4. Suppose Swam invites 3 friends. Then each friend will get 5 by 3. So that is 1 slice of the cake. 2 slices of cake will be left. Okay. So 5 by 3. If he invites 5 friends means cake 5 by 3. Okay. Total number of pieces is 5 and then total number of friends is equal to 3. So everyone will get 1 piece and 2 slices will be left to the Swam. So this is regarding the program, and now we need to write the program. And this program is written in Python and you can see the program, and this will be you need to analyze the program and you need to run the program. This for your convenience. Before program is written in C++, now I just use in this Python, and you need to compile and run the program. So let's see. So these are the outputs. So if we have given more number of test cases are 50, 30, okay, 50, then that also should be passed. So if the test cases are in between, here we have given one constraint, test cases are in between 1 and 50. So it can be any number, 4 or it can be 50. So but it need to pass the test case. This is regarding the second program. Thank you.